Try the boy who's really fine. Hello, boy, how you feeling?
Yeah.
You're feeling yes? Are you feeling happy, scared, excited?
Happy.
You're happy, great job, great job. How you feeling?
I'm angry.
You're angry?
Why are you angry? Why are you angry? You angry because why?
Is it too hard?
Because it's easy for you, so you feel angry, right? Okay. Everyone, I will show you the points, and because we count the points already, so now I will call your name because you have a little point for your friends. Okay? I'm so sorry about that. Các bạn thân yêu của Biết Thắng ơi, vì là qua vòng đầu tiên thì chúng mình sẽ tính điểm, mỗi câu đúng chúng mình sẽ được mấy điểm ạ? 1 điểm, đúng không? Nhưng không trả lời sai thì chưa có điểm. Trên đây là kết quả của ban giám khảo của các mẹ đã chấm. Bây giờ Miss Hằng sẽ đọc tên những bạn mà điểm hơi thấp một chút thì chúng mình sẽ ngồi ra phía đằng sau để cổ vũ các bạn nhé, được không? Sau đó là tí nữa đến vòng giải cứu những con ong thật là vui nhộn luôn, thì chúng mình lại quay trở về được không? Ok không? Quay trở về với lại trẻ chiến thắng được chưa? Rồi. Ok. Nguyễn Đức Minh Khôi. Khôi ơi, mời con sang này. Minh Khôi chuột nha. Nguyễn Nhật Minh. Đặng Đức Chí, ông gì? Hoàng Triều Dương, Trung Minh Đức, Hà Phúc Hưng, Trần Phú Long, Nguyễn Hoàng Bảo Nam, Giang Nhật, Nguyễn Trần Bảo Thư. Và chúc mừng các chiến binh của chúng mình sẽ tiếp tục vào vòng số 2.
Great job, guys, great job.
Okay, so are you ready? Who are we? Are we the champion? Yes, of course. Now let's try your best to number 1, round 2. Moving up.
Okay, guys, question number 1. What is the letter D for? So, which one of these words begins with the letter D? Is it 1, 2, or 3? So, which one of these words begins with the letter D? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Time starts now.
What is the letter D for? 1, 2, or 3? Choose the correct answer. Hello? Letter D is for dance. Picture 2. Now, sit down. We will have the points.
which one of these words begins with the letter C? Is it 1, 2, or 3? So which one of these begins with the letter C? Is it 1, 2, or 3? This time starts now.
Letter C. 4, 1, 2, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The answer is number 1. Okay. So, ask some students. Me. What is it?
Hey, great job.
Good job. Okay, E. What is it?
C.
C for
Circle.
line, right? And what about the picture 2? Who knows? Raise your hand. Tell me. Yes, Sweet. What is it? C. Right? Very good. Okay. Do you know picture 3 more? Yes, Sudan.
Number 3. Red.
Okay. Big everyone. So the next question. What is the letter X? 4, 1, 2, 3. Time start now. Letter X for X. 4. One, 0. The letter X for everyone say. Box.
Great job, guys. Okay, question number 5. Oh, can you put your young man put that down, please? Thank you.
Don't
Okay,
check with your friends.
which one of these is a letter S word? Is it 1, 2, or 3? So which one of these is a letter S word?
Letter S.
1, 2, or 3? Time starts now.
Well, the answer is number 1. Very good.
Các câu hỏi có vẻ khá là dễ dàng với các bạn nhỏ. Các con trả lời các câu từ nãy đến giờ cũng đúng rất là nhiều. Ở vòng 1 khi mà các bạn nhỏ đang tạm thời bị loại khỏi sân khấu ấy ạ, các con cũng trả lời được rất nhiều các câu hỏi và điểm của các bạn cũng khá là cao. Đó, hy vọng là chúng mình sẽ tiếp tục làm tốt, tập trung như thế này để ở những câu hỏi khó hơn nữa chúng mình vẫn có thể trả lời được đúng.
S. 4.
Chào bố Sơn ạ, chào mẹ Hồng ạ. Đây là cuộc thi của các em khối khám phá 4 5 tuổi ạ. Cuộc thi của các anh chị khối tự lập 506 sẽ diễn ra vào sáng ngày mai ạ. Bố mẹ nhớ đón xem để cổ vũ cho các con nha.
The answer is 3. What is it? Everyone say it loud. Friends. Go. Good job. Question number 7. Look at the picture. How many mice do you see? Number 1, I see 5 mice. Number 2,
Right, guys, moving on. Question number 8. Okay, what goes on your feet? So, which one of these go on your feet? Is it number 1, a cap? Number 2, shoes? Or number 3, shirt? So, which one of these would you wear on your feet? Is it number 1, a cap? Number 2, shoes? Or number 3, a shirt? Your time starts now.
What goes on your feet? 1, cap. 2, shoes. Or 3, shirt. 0.
Okay, guys, what is it? What are they? What do you wear on your feet? You wear?
Anyone say it loud? Shoes.
Yes, good job, guys. Yep, you wear shoes on your feet.
Do
Great
we
job,
wear the
guys.
t-shirt on your feet? No. Do we wear the cap on your feet? No way.
Cứ cho đi. Thế biết con
Bác
thấy
sĩ
nhá.
đã được.
Đã biết rồi nhưng mà mình chưa loại đâu. Mình
Where is her green home? Look at the picture. Where is her green home? Number 1, on her head. Number 2, on her nose. Number 3, on the floor. One more time. Where is her green home? 1, on her head. Number 2, on her nose. Number 3, on the floor. Time start. Two, 1, 0. Teacher Jack, can you see the phone?
Can I see it?
Đi lên cho xong.
Okay, so
Quay quay.
where is her comb?
Where is her phone?
Where's her comb? It's on her.
Head.
Guys, one more time, answer that. It's
On head.
yeah,
Very
great
good.
job. It's on her head. Great job, guys. Well done.
Okay, so everyone, touch your head, please. Touch your head.
Where's her
Yes.
comb?
Do you know on your head? What is it?
On her.
Look at your friends. Look at your friend. What is on your head? What is on your friend's head? Is it a bee or a bird? Is it a bee? Is it a bird? Is it a butterfly? Or is it a alligator? Or is it an elephant? No way, right? Because today we are the bee. Bee and we buzz. Right? Okay, good. Next one. Number 9.
Okay, guys, question number 10. I want to look at the picture and answer the question. Okay, where do they look for the markers? So they're looking for the markers. Where are they looking for the markers? Is it number 1, in the trash? Number 2, under the chair? Or number 3, in the bags? So, where are they looking for the markers? Is it number 1, in the trash? Number 2, under the chair? Or number 3, in the bags? Your time starts now.
Where do they look for the markers? Look at the picture. Number 1, in the trash. 2, under the chair. Or 3, in the bags. Show up. It is.
Hey, great job, guys.
It is under the chair. Very good.
Great job, guys. Great job.
So it's time for counting points. teacher Jack will ask you some questions here.
How are you feeling? How do you feel?
Are you hungry?
Are you happy? Are you scared? Are you excited?